In this video, I'm going to show you how to find your way around in JIRA. Now, you will have received an email from me with a link to my work status. In this video, there's also a link below in the description to take you to exactly this place. Now, JIRA can be quite difficult to navigate at times, so what I recommend that you do is that you bookmark this link in your browser. Often that you can do that by clicking on the star at the top of the page on the top right side here, and then clicking on Done. Right, so what is this view? This is showing you all of the work that pertains to just you. So in each of the columns, this tells us the status of each of our epics that we're looking at. There's 5 here, so epics that we haven't started yet, epics that have been submitted to QMR1, epics where drafting is currently in progress, those that have been submitted to the TPB, and those that have been submitted to QMR2. Anything after this point is the responsibility of the tag team, which is why it isn't shown on this board. Within the board we have a checkerboard status. By that I mean we've divided each of these issues up to those that are behind schedule, due in the next 2 weeks, due in the next 2 to 4 weeks after that, and then due 4 weeks hence. I'm just going to collapse everything by clicking on this 3 dots at the top right of the screen and clicking Collapse All Swim Lanes. We can see here then on the left hand side it says behind schedule, due in the next 2 weeks, due in the next 2 to 4 weeks, and due in 4 weeks time, over 4 weeks time. So if I want to see what I'm late with, I can click on this button behind schedule. It says 14 issues next to it. To open it up, I can see that there are a number of issues in each of these columns. What does it mean? So let's take a look at this one on the left, this technical revision behind schedule. It says it's not started. Now, the reason this is behind schedule is because it really should be in the next column. It has a date in there which says it should have been submitted to the QMR1. So how can I find out more information about this? Each of these boxes on the screen are called cards. If I click on one of these cards, a short summary appears on the right hand side. This shows me the status of the card, who the document owners are, and also, if I scroll down, the key dates that have been input to the programme. So we can see that the forecast QMR1 date was the 1st of June, and it hasn't been submitted yet. If I want to see more information about this, I can scroll down further to see a technical description, and I can see where comments have been added by some of my colleagues. If I want to add a comment myself, I'm able to do this by just scrolling down here, clicking on the comment box, and then adding a new comment, for example, and then click Add. If I'd like to attach any emails or other documents, scrolling to the bottom I can see where it says Attachments. I can click on the Browse button and upload a file.